Jeez, I haven't seen a single animal for miles. Looks like Robotnik's been working overtime.
Target spotted.
Eh? Do I smell smoke?
Trying to directives, capture hedgehog, terminate by all means necessary.
Get a load of eggheads, toys gone wrong. This oven ain't got the thrust to catch me.
Activate paranoid cross region destruction to be.
On the walls the ducks are lion, but a hero always stands tall, and this one's got a need for speed. Dude, that means nothing, you're always like 6,000 steps behind. Give up, my guy, who can keep up with my stride? Come on, little loser, step it up and give a challenge. All you know to do is belt suit. So you wanna talk again? Well, you got one thing right, friend. I'm the dude on Mobius who's here with some wings your end. So give up the ghost you owe. They're gonna twister. No way will you raise them. You better run, I'll cut you down to size. That's right, pal, I got you beat. Looks like that bucket of bull should've laid out the nitro this time around. Hey, redhead, you might want to fix your toys. You don't even know your fate, hedgehog. It's summertime. Yes, my greatest invention shall let me hedgehogs do it. Not even a question, I shall roast and devour you. Families and the ones that your hunger screw, but soon your vile schemes, then you're bitter more than you can chew. My genius ravenous, I'll move you shall be damned in oven's fire. I'll make the fist of evil hand. You're gonna have to catch me first, egghead, but man, just need a Snickers. There's no need for this entire plan. The taste of hedgehog has a rich, nuanced flavor, an exquisite prey when it's done quite well. Your diet doesn't do your skin. There's a ball and really red as a lobster shell. And raise the meat through a pipe. A chase in flight has worked my appetite. Not a single nose hair left, you're a fright. Your addiction has left you a sorry sight. By battles, you're too slow. Cut so sweet and juicy. Hedgehog is truly the most dangerous game, but all the same, you're not too big in my gluttonous flame. Them the song and dance together. You know I'm the hero when I'm not. Man, you sure love scrambling your own plans, don't you?